Hi guys, this is David, and I want to do this video today to talk about my second payout with Dash. Um, this is actually my second time having an actual payout with Dash, and I just recently joined actually this week. I did have a payout that was done, looks like on the 20th, and the second one was done on the 21st, which was yesterday. So what I'm seeing is that it's actually paying for the previous day. That's how that goes. So for each time that I'm going to actually get paid on whatever currency that I'm mining. So you see here the first one I got paid was 0.00136. And the next one I got paid, which was my second day payout, is 0.00122. I think that comes well. Let me go ahead and go to my actual wallet. Here's my wallet where that's at. You can see here total now I've got 0.00259,312 as far as my total Dash that I have, and that is from Genesis Mining because I'm not mining anywhere else right now when it comes to Dash. I do also belong to a site called EOBot as well, as far as another mining site, but they have high payouts though when it comes to getting your payout for Dash. So that's why I haven't even messed with that though right now. But of course on the Genesis Mining is where I do have my mining set to as far as the Dash goes, as far as my allocation. Let me go ahead and click on this real quick so you can see the allocation on it. What I did too actually was I went ahead and bought Bitcoin when I first started with it, and I went ahead and allocated that to Dash. I went ahead and set it up for Dash. I've actually done 2 upgrades this week, and I'm going to be working on trying to do an upgrade every single week for sure if I can. So I'm definitely going to be working on trying to do that though, which I don't see a problem with it or see why I cannot do that, but that's what I'm going to try to do, and maybe even 2 times per week, but we'll have to see how that's going to go. But again too, of course you guys can always help that out as well as far as using my code, because of course you'll get 3% off by using my code. And also, like I mentioned in my previous video, if you watched that as well, I am going to also give out some traffic software as well too for using my code. So if you use my code and I'm able to see for sure that was you that used my code, whoever the person may be, show me some proof that you used my code, and I will give you some traffic software as well. So, and you know, that way it's more of an incentive for you to go ahead and use my code, something that I'm not seeing anybody else do for that matter as well. So in other words, I'm actually paying you to do that because I do sell traffic software. I do make traffic software and I do sell it. So yeah, that's something I'm going to do for you guys as well. Now as far as my affiliate part of it too, actually, you know what? Before I even get to that part, let me talk about something else too. Let me go back to application here. Now, if you're wondering about why I bought the Bitcoin and set that over to be in Dash instead of just buying the Dash mining itself, if you're wondering why I did that, because I got a theory, and I could be wrong, but I think it's a good theory or a good thought process as far as why I did this. See, when you buy the Dash, though, it's going to be good for 2 years as far as your mining contract with Dash. And then after the 2 years, then it's up as far as your contract goes with that. But when it comes to the Bitcoin, when you buy your upgrade for the Bitcoin on Genesis Mining, it's for life, or for as long as the site stays active or stays on or whatever. So might as well say a lifetime contract. So that's the thing is, after those 2 years is up, I can still have this mining for my Dash if I want to, or then even for that matter, I can still put it onto another currency as well too if I want. Now, if it means that it might be a little bit slower than if I bought the Dash, I don't know. I mean, that could be a possibility. I'm still kind of new to the site, as you guys can definitely tell. But that's my thinking, is that might be the better way to do that. It's because of the simple fact that I can keep on using the Bitcoin to mine for my Dash even after the 2-year time period would be up. So that's why I went ahead and did it that way. And I have a total of 400 gigahash, 0.40, but it's actually 0.400 because it's 400 gigahash. So I've got right now total, because like I said, I did a 2 upgrades. The one when I first joined, and the second one I've actually upgraded with was this week as well. And so yeah, now let me go ahead and talk about the other part as far as the affiliate side. I haven't really hardly advertised the site too much yet either, which I'm going to, but I just haven't got to it yet. But I'll go ahead and put the affiliate link in the description area of this video as well. In fact, you know what? I went ahead and brought that up already earlier. So yeah, I'll go ahead and put the affiliate link in the description area of this video in case you want to use that. And of course, I'll definitely have my code in there too, the discount code that you can use as well too. I'll have that in the description area too. So anybody that does use that, I do appreciate that. And like I said, if you want some traffic software as well too for doing that, go ahead and send me a message and show it to me that you did do that, that you use my code, and I'll go ahead and send that over to you. I will need your email, so send me a private message if you do that, and I'll go ahead and use your email, and I'll go ahead and send that traffic software over to you as a show of appreciation for using my code. It's that simple. My software I do sell for $10 and above as far as what I sell it for, traffic software, and I do sell that on a regular basis as well. So that's the extra value that you can get for using my code, more so than what I see a lot of other people doing, because I see a lot of people on YouTube just saying just to use their code and that's it. But I'm actually going to go a step above and beyond, and like I said, go ahead and send you some traffic software for using my code. And like I said, that way I can show you that I do appreciate your help on that though, because of course that will raise my hashing power as well too by doing that. Also, I wanted to make a mention that recently I have been watching both Trayvon James and also Craig Grant. I've been watching their videos to try to learn as much as I can as far as crypto, and as far as especially like Genesis mining and things like that. So I went ahead and actually originally joined, for that matter, underneath Trayvon James. This is who I first joined Genesis mining with. So of course I used his code and affiliate link or whatever to join up with. And I do plan on tonight doing a upgrade with the code that Craig Grant has. So I'll plan on using his code as well. So I'll go ahead and make a separate video on that to show me doing the upgrade. So yeah, that should be it then for this video. Of course, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Feel free to share my video as well too on Facebook and other sites as well if you want to get the word out, to spread the channel. And that should be it then. So thanks for watching, guys, and you have a great day.